acid reflux!
Has this ever happened to you? You're trying to enjoy your meal when acid reflux suddenly hits? Fear no more. There are remedies for your discomfort.
You say acid reflux? Well, Sonny, I got the thing for you. Make a baking soda solution, get some unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and we'll make some tea with some ginger root. These things have worked for generations. 1 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water, 3 teaspoons of undistilled apple cider vinegar, or a cup of ginger root tea will cure your acid reflux.
No, Granny. Natural remedies are a myth. Antacids are proven by science. Antacids raise the pH of the stomach solution and reduce the pain from acid reflux. Antacids are proven to work, unlike those unscientific natural remedies. Grandma Gilker's Family Remedies versus Science Nick's Antacids.
But wait, what is acid reflux? It is a burning sensation in the chest caused by gastric acid in the esophagus.
At the entrance to your stomach, there is a ring of muscles called the lower esophageal sphincter. Normally, the lower esophageal sphincter closes as soon as food passes through it. But when it doesn't close all the way or opens too often, acid produced by your stomach can move up into your esophagus.
Treatment includes reducing acid production, raising the pH of the stomach solution, and closing the esophageal valve.
For this experiment, we're testing how these remedies affect the pH of the stomach solution in an effort to reduce discomfort from acid reflux. We're testing 100 milliliters of imitation gastric acid with antacid, baking soda, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and ginger root tea. For our first experiment, we're testing antacids.
These are the net ionic equations of the reactions that occur when antacid is added to gastric acid. The calcium carbonate neutralizes the hydrochloric acid in the stomach, producing carbonic acid again, just like the baking soda, which then turns into H2O and CO2, thus raising the pH of the solution.
We hypothesize that the antacids will raise the pH to a range of 6 or 7. Now for baking soda.
These are the net ionic equations of the reaction that occurs when baking soda is added to gastric acid. The baking soda neutralizes the hydrochloric acid in the stomach, producing carbonic acid, which then turns into H2O and CO2, thus raising the pH of the solution.
Our hypothesis for baking soda is that it will raise the pH to a range of around 6 to 7.
Now for ginger root tea.
We hypothesize that the ginger root tea will not affect pH.
And finally, apple cider vinegar.
We hypothesize that the apple cider vinegar will lower the pH very slightly. The antacid raised the pH of the imitation stomach solution from 1.3 to 5.8, very close to our hypothesis of 6 to 7. This obviously changes the pH, which would in turn help relieve pain from the acid. This reinforces that antacid is an effective remedy.
The The baking soda raised the pH of the imitation stomach solution from 1.6 to 7.2. Though this natural remedy worked, a great deal of carbon dioxide gas was produced in a short amount of time. This could cause bloating and stomach discomfort. In conclusion, what we tested is an effective remedy.
Our experiment showed that ginger root tea and apple cider vinegar did not have much effect at all on the pH. However, this does not mean that ginger root tea or apple cider vinegar do not help relieve pain from acid reflux.
Ginger root tea supposedly has anti-inflammatory properties which could help soothe inflammation and irritation, thus reducing discomfort from acid reflux.
When taken during discomfort from acid reflux, the additional acid from apple cider vinegar is said to stimulate the lower esophageal sphincter to tighten and close off, reducing the amount of acid that creeps up into the esophagus and therefore reduces pain.